In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lazy load YouTube videos in WordPress. The goal here is to enhance your website's performance by reducing the load time, which is particularly crucial when dealing with media-rich content like video embeds. Lazy loading is a technique that defers the loading of non-essential elements, like videos, until they are about to be viewed. This can significantly improve your website's speed and overall user experience. To begin with, we need to install a performance plugin. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, move your cursor to the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Plugins. Then select Add New. Here, we're going to search for a plugin that supports lazy loading features. Some popular choices include WP Rocket and Lightspeed Cache. Alternatively, you might want to use a dedicated plugin like Lazy Load for Videos if your main focus is video content. These plugins are designed to help you with optimizing your site by bringing tools like lazy loading to the table. Once you've decided on a plugin, the next step is to install and activate it. Simply click Install Now next to your plugin of choice, and once the installation is complete, hit Activate to get it running. Each plugin will have its own way of handling lazy loading, but they follow a similar setup process. Let's look at how to enable the lazy loading feature. If you've decided to go with WP Rocket, you'll find yourself back in your WordPress dashboard after activation. Click on Settings and then WP Rocket. Under the Media tab, identify the Lazy Load section. Here, you'll want to check the box that reads Enable for iframes and videos. What this does is replace the embedding of YouTube videos with a lightweight preview image until a user actually clicks to play the video. It's a simple yet effective way to speed up your page load times. For those who chose the Lazy Load for Videos plugin, the process is even more straightforward. When you activate this plugin, it automatically replaces your video players with a clickable preview image. This means the full video only loads when a visitor clicks on it. Like WP Rocket, you can also tweak the settings to fit your needs. Head over to Settings in your WordPress dashboard and scroll down to find Lazy Load for Videos to make any necessary adjustments. Finally, remember to save your changes. This step is vital to ensure that all your hard work takes effect. Once saved, you should notice an improvement in your site's performance almost immediately, particularly if your pages have multiple YouTube videos. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can enhance your WordPress site's speed by lazy loading YouTube videos, promoting a faster, more efficient browsing experience for your users.